This is Cape Town, South Africa. That's a nice guy right there. Food is pretty cheap. The clock tower. I'm really getting to know this place. This is where you go to Robben Island. Okay. Right now we're gonna go to the Victoria Mall and bring you guys on the Cape Town tour. This is Cape Town, South Africa, Tourist Central. So with that, different things. Cape Town is beautiful, it's magnificent. It's like West Palm Beach on steroids. Tomorrow we're going to show you some amazing homes and some views. I have a story to tell you at the end of this film. What happened to me. The food is very cheap. It's amazing. Yeah, the food is very cheap. So the mall. That's a wine store. This is where everybody hang out. There is a massive amount of people. This is Africa, guys. This is Africa. This is your town. It's Africa. This is the Victoria Wharf. Wow. Oh, that's actually a guy. He wants to tell him a joke. You should tell him a joke. Tell him a joke. You'll start laughing. Make him laugh. Like... That's the museum we're gonna check out on Monday and Tuesday at 10. Wow, this is South Africa. Check out that museum Monday. South Africa. It's really nice city. Very modern buildings. Yeah. Very nice. This is Africa. Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town, South Africa. Yeah. This is it. Yeah, this is Rondie right now in the market. I'm gonna look on some real authentic bags, about 200 US, about 2,000 rands. This is original art from the man from Senegal himself. These are the kings right here. See them here right here, so king. Say hello to the world. Say hello to the world.
What's up? It's me, not Chap. That's
yes.
my part.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So you guys make your, is this goat skin? What kind of skin is this?
That one is a blessed box. Like this one is a prim box.
When you say pink, what do you say?
Spring box.
Spring box.
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a natural animal in South Africa.
Okay. And you guys stitch this yourself?
Hmm?
You have your sewing machine?
Yeah, because this one people get it from the farm. You get it. You know, that's why this skin people they eat the meat. You get it. That's the antelope. You know, some people get it from the farm.
Yeah.
Get it. Yeah. But this one is a natural animal in South Africa.
Yeah.
Get it. People they eat the meat. Even you go to Woolworths, you can pay, you can see this meat. People they eat the meat. Yeah. Something like this also is a cushion cover. Sometimes people they decoration in the couch. You get it. Sometimes also, you know, like this skin people they put it on the floor like this. You get it. This one also is a boulder base. You know, that's a boulder base. You got it? Keep it there. That's a boulder base also. This one also you get it. Yeah. You can put it in the floor, you can hang it from the wall. You get it.
How much is that one?
This one, even you don't mind, I'll give you this one for like 3,500. But even you go in the shop, you can ship it for like more than 7,000.
Wow.
You get it.
It's real deal.
Yeah, it's a real deal. This one also is a cooler.
Wow.
Something like this is a cooler. Yeah.
Good, good, good. And now tell me about the bags. These are.
I got some crocodile also. It's come from my home.
Did your home?
Yeah.
Who killed the crocodile?
Sometimes I'm just saying nobody will kill crocodile because people like the animal. That's why nobody will kill animal. The animal they die also.
Oh, they die.
They
okay.
die.
Okay. Okay.
That's why people like the animal. That's why you take this skin to go to.
So this is original. No one else has this design.
No. Even the Chinese people they try to copy this one.
But they can't because they
they
need the real thing.
Exactly.
So when it dies, you preserve it, honor it.
I'll show you something for like these things. You see it. The real one, you can burn it in the fire. You doesn't burn, you doesn't change. You You can use it forever, like a 10 years guarantee. You shoe my belt. That's a belly crocodile.
Do you have belts for sale here?
Like a 7 years ago.
My lord, so you have a size 40?
That one.
That's
snakes.
Is this a snake?
This one is a belly.
Brethren, how come I didn't see these?
Also.
So what colors are these from?
This one also is a bearded one. The thing's different also. Something like this is come from the Kenya.
Kenya.
It's like this bearded one.
Yes.
You know those Kenya people, you don't wear the clothes, wear the massage one.
Yes.
You know, it's the one you make this belt.
Yes.
One.
If someone were to try to order from online, could they call you and you ship it?
No problem.
How would they send you the money? Western Union?
Yeah, you can send me the Western Union. I'm gonna tell you everything.
Give time.
Because you, my partner,
Give
I
time.
need to want to show you my product.
Yes, sir.
Before you go home.
Definitely.
You getting my point. If you go home, you can tell your people, I meet someone there.
Yes, sir.
I'm from Senegal.
Yes, because you see, these women, when they bring this and see that it's original, it beats what's in the stores, because this is the real thing. And it's
this
one in a...
Also, you get it. You can use it forever like that, you know? Yeah.
Your partner, what is he, how does he play a role?
This is my partner, you know.
From the same place?
Yeah, from the same place, you know.
You grew up together?
No, you not grow up together. We try to grow up together. You know, because it's like 2 weeks ago, I find it here. I try to teach him the way you are here. You know.
So how long you been doing it?
Yeah, I'm doing it for like 18 years now.
18 years?
Yeah, 18 years.
So you're the real deal. You the real.
I'm a
bow to you, man. You're the real artist.
I'm pushing.
You're the real thing.
I'm pushing.
Honor, respect.
I'm pushing.
Yes.
Respect too.
Yeah.
Respect too. That's why I want to talk about for you a lot of things, you know. Because things are different.
Yeah, like that, but not that color.
Yeah, in Green Market also you have it a longer history, you know. Yeah, things are different also.
We want to hear the story. No.
Yeah, I'm gonna explain to you something for the history in Cape Town. Yeah, because I've been some country in West Africa, like in Congo, Algeria, Cameroon, but things are different. Cape Town is beautiful. Cape Town is lovely. Cape Town, you can see this. Something different for life. Yeah. Because the product also is a different product. Some of it come from my home, some of it come from the Kenya, some of it come from Brazil, some of it come from Africa, like a Cote d'Ivoire, you know. That's why I think it's different. Yeah.
So you're a curator, like you collect the beads also?
Exactly. Let's go over here, I'll show you something different. Something like this.
Oh, bro. How much does this one cost?
That's what also is a bearded one, you get it.
How much does that cost, bro?
You get it.
How much is that, bro?
I sell it for like a 250, man. I give it for 200. Yeah.
Wow, so bro.
Yeah, man, something like this also.
Oh, bro, that's really nice, bro. Bro, all of these are nice, bro. Everybody online, you have to contact this man.
Exactly.
Oh, bro, let me get one for my daughter, bro. Look at this, bro.
This one is beautiful. Even this one also, I like it. Sometimes also,
I like every one of them. I love every one of them. And then you got this. I was looking for the bees, man. No, I'm gonna find him.
People, they do like this.
Yes.
You get it? Where is the bangle, you know?
Yes.
Go for the dinner like that. Something like that. You get it?
Yes.
Because you are here in Africa.
So these are from
this one also is the ostrich from the cell. It's the ostrich, the eggs.
Ostrich eggs?
Yeah. From the
man,
cell.
I could spend a whole day here with you, bro.
No, because I need to, you can know the things once you go on before you go.
Yeah, I'm going to come
This
back.
one also is the ostrich from the bone. It's
The bone of the
Kenya. Yeah.
Kenya.
Yeah. That one also is a bone wooden one. You get it? That's a bone, like this is a wood.
Give me something for a king of kings. Give me something for a warrior, warlord.
Yeah.
I need a warlord now. Give me a warlord.
You know what's
warlord?
Yeah.
King of kings, Shaka Zulu's son.
Oh yeah.
Shaka Zulu's son. You see what I'm saying now?
I know.
You working with me now? Work with me.
Look at this one. It's also the bone also. This is much better for you.
How much is this?
I'll show you yourself first before
Put
you
it
do
on me.
anything.
Put it on me.
Yeah.
Is this gonna evoke the spirits?
Yeah. These things you're gonna remind me all the time, even you wear it, you know. Yeah.
When people see me, I want people to fear me when they see me.
Look at yourself.
Oh, this is the real king.
Yeah, exactly.
This is what I've been waiting for.
That
This
one
is it,
the
right?
ostrich.
This is it,
This
right?
one.
That is it.
You get it, huh?
You get it, huh?
Yeah.
How much this?
I mean, this one I will give you 200 for you, honestly. Yeah, because
Hold
I
on.
need you to take something for your daughter.
Yeah. She gonna like.
That
She
one
gonna-
is nice also.
Yo,
Yeah.
you're good, man. I love the work.
No, I love it too.
I love
man.
the work. You see
know,
how
things are different also.
this right here,
That's the
sir?
ostrich also.
Yo, why not?
This one also, you know, something like this. This is a pattern one.
Too much ladies all over the world. Ladies,
Exactly.
you ladies, you want to
Yeah.
reach out. Ladies,
things are different.
run, ladies. I'm going to give you the phone number right below here.
Yeah.
Just call the man and say,
Yeah,
and
just
send him
come
up,
around
call the
by
man.
cow, man.
Yo, ladies. Yo, ladies.
This is a color for
Yo,
South
my
Africa
lad.
also, because the South Africa
These colors are beautiful.
Colorful.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take the pictures and then
Yeah,
send it to the
everybody wants
ladies,
that,
and they're
yeah.
gonna call you back.
Yeah,
and,
no problem.
but you have
Yeah.
a website?
No, my WhatsApp is not
Virgin.
good. I got
Even this, ladies, come on, ladies,
I can
ladies,
see
look
my
at this,
contact
ladies.
in my phone.
So how they would know what they want?
yeah.
So. So they could
Something like
WhatsApp
this
you.
also,
They could
yeah.
WhatsApp you
WhatsApp
live.
me online, yeah.
Yo,
That one also is a malachite.
Monarchy,
Malachite.
Malekith. What does that
It's
mean?
come from the Congo Brazzaville. Malachite is like a something you have at the stone made. This one is a malachite.
Yeah.
You get it. Malachite, you see this one? It's
Yeah.
a stone. It's like this stone.
Yeah.
And this is a malachite. People they think it's a glass. It's not a glass.
It's
It's,
a
a
stone.
malachite. Yeah, it's a malachite.
Yeah.
But this is a stone. Things are different.
Yeah.
Malachite also is a piece, like a peace
Yeah.
and love. You
Peace
get it?
and love.
Peace and love, yeah.
Green. Healing.
Sometimes also, you know, people they do this one for the animal to decoration. Your table like that.
Hold this for a second,
Yeah,
bro. I
people
mean,
like it too, right?
this right here,
That
bro.
also is beautiful.
This,
See?
bro. Your work and your collection. Even look at this right here.
This
This
one also is another style.
this is amazing. All of
this
this.
also is come from my home also, Senegal.
Oh.
Yes, it's come from my home.
Oh, this would. Oh man, your work
There's
is.
something like this one is a fabric. That's a fabric one also. Yeah.
Fabric.
Fabric, yeah.
And I like this. All right, so here I'm gonna take today. Because I wanted the beads, man, you know. Oh yeah, look at that.
That one also is an ostrich
good.
from the bone.
Warrior.
This one is an ostrich from the
But
bone.
this is one of my favorites for
That
the
one also
ladies.
is nice also.
Favorite for the ladies.
Because that one also is a
I'm gonna have to come back because, you know,
I
but
talk to your wife, I tell her you must come over here. I'm the one you're gonna take a work here in Cape Town, show you different things. New life.
new life.
yeah.
The new life.
Things are
this
different.
everything of the new life. This is my life.
No, I know. But things are different also, you know.
Yes,
Yeah.
man. I mean, the art is strong.
Yeah,
it's
because
strong.
Africa also, you know, you can see the different things. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So.
why that one is beautiful.
So let me see this one right here, colorful. Give me this,
That's beautiful.
right? And give me. I have my thing on already, right? So we'll
Yeah.
do that for now. All right. Until next time.
Yeah, no problem. That one also is nice. It's an ivory.
How much for this?
I don't know, you can take the $80 for it.
Yeah.
But just take the 50 it's okay.
Yeah. Is one? You have a bigger one?
The bigger one, that one is more bigger. Are you going to download?
That's tight.
You can download. Let's start that. Yeah, you can download this.
But it's tight. See, it's gonna leave them off, right?
No, this is an elastic.
Gonna leave them off.
You see mine.
Oh, okay. But yours is a little. You see that?
Yeah.
Yours is a little loose.
Let me give you my yours.
Ah, now you're talking. Let's see.
That's
Yeah,
three
let me
is nice
see.
also.
Let's
You
see.
see your stuff. bunch.
How much?
Yeah, Rastafari. Man. Yeah, I like it. Huh? Just get this straight.
Huh?
Just get this straight. Like, you know what can I do? I'll give you this 200. This one, the one I give it to you for the gift.
Okay, gift thanks. All right, war thing, Black Panther. Put everything together. All right, gift thanks. So no, that's the show for today. Give the man them your number. Give them your number.
Now I give you my number, you know.
You call me, right?
Make sure
just
to
put
come
it on the
around.
video too.
Yeah.
Just say the number. Say it.
Your number, huh?
Say your number. Your number. Say it on the video.
Okay. 0634 268102. Yeah. 0634 268102. That's my number. My name is Narchab. Man, the people calling me Joe. I'm here from the Giri Market Square. One love guy. You must come around by me. You can see something different. Actually.
Respect.
Appreciate
Give thanks, because I wear this with honor.
One love, y'all. Yeah. You can explain to my brother something.
Mateo.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So, oh, different as you can see. Mateo is my name right here.
That's you?
That's one of my art, right? Mateo.
Yeah.
This is Mama Africa. As you can see, a woman has carried a baby on her back in a basket of fruits. That's how we live in Africa.
Yeah.
Trying to go into the market, trying to sell some so that you can earn up a living. You know what I mean?
I like this one.
Which one is that?
This
one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one I got it in different. I have like the black and white, and I also have like this one, the file. So I don't know which one you prefer most. If I do like this.
Yeah. Those two are nice. You have a number? Give me your number. Give me your number. 072 629 40 61. So I'll broadcast that.
Yeah.
I come back through. Right now I'm on a move.
Yeah.
But I love these two. How much each go for?
It's a 350 for each.
350 for each.
Yeah.
Good.
But still we will negotiate. You know what
Yeah,
I mean?
man. Once I come back and settle everything before me come back in May
Alright.
to fly out, we're going to deal with you.
Alright.
I'm going to look through everything. Because we're going to look through everything. I take my time. I'm going to sit down. Can you see that one there right there, sir? The black one there?
Black and white?
That, you do that?
He's the one who do that.
Ah.
He's the one who do all these ones, you see.
Yeah. This one right here is killer.
It's nice.
I love that.
Yeah, that's a dope one.
Yeah.
See, those are the Zulus.
Zulus.
Zulu guys, the Zulu warriors.
That's why I love it.
Some carry the pots of water, firewood, some fruits, you know. You know, everything is about
And you guys
Africa.
print these on canvas.
This is not print, this is paint.
Paint,
We draw
original.
and paint original.
Duplicate.
Yeah, because you see the thing is, this is an original canvas, because even if you fold it, nothing will happen there, because it's oil paint and canvas. Very original. Yeah.
Artist.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
tell
give you one of my piece.
Alright.
And I'm gonna let you guys print one. I'm an artist too. You know? World renowned.
Yeah, feel that.
But I'm gonna give you something nobody else in the world. When they see it,
Yeah.
they're gonna, you see me?
That's
I just advertise it. That's for that's priceless.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, for real.
But my love on the work, man.
Alright.
My lad, are you supposed to have them things there? I'm gonna run. But then at the market, I look for everything, you know, man. I say, all them things I'm gonna eat my salad out of. How much is this?
It's 450, but not for you. I'll give you a good deal.
No, not today, but I'm just checking the price for people online because they're gonna call you. How much is this?
Which size?
This big one.
350.
That's $35, people. This is nothing. And how much the small one?
150.
That's $15, people. That's nothing. You're gonna get this lady's phone number. Give me your number.
0616 115272.
Call her and you can get the
I also
elephant,
have,
the hippo. You could get from her the sheep. You could count sheep at night when you're sleeping.
And these are key holders.
The elephants. Did
Penguins.
you make these?
Yes, I do them myself.
You made all of these?
I do them myself.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm doing
How many years?
Making them?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been now 8 years.
You make this whole thing take you 8 years?
No. I mean, I thought you maybe asking what.
Oh,
how
you got
long did I
penguins
start?
too?
Yes.
You don't have a card? Business card?
Oh, I don't know.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe? I love this. Wait 1 second.
Thank you.
What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Margaret.
Margaret from Zimbabwe.
Yes.
And this, you made these by hand?
Yeah. I make them myself.
I love these Margarets.
Thank you.
I appreciate this.
Thank you so much.
And when I come, and I like the keychain, I love your work. People are gonna love it.
Thank you so much.
Look at this.
I have some giraffes in
You
here.
got giraffes.
Different colors and big elephants.
Oh, look at this elephant here. Oh, wow. Big time Margaret. Love it. Which one is my favorite? Which one is my favorite?
Elephants. I also have big zebras.
Let me see. My daughter likes penguins.
Oh, penguins.
She likes penguins. But my favorite is actually this.
Oh.
For salad.
Oh, for salad.
Yeah.
I'll give you a good deal like now so that
Tell them the Rondie price so that when they see the video they call you and they get that price. What price would you give them this for?
I'll give them for $250.
See that? Rondie just knocked it down 10 US. So call her, put your salad in here. I have thousands of viewers, so they'll be calling you. Give them the number again.
0616
0616
11
11
52
52
72.
72, and that's 27 in plus 27 in front of that for South Africa.
Yes.
So that's plus 27 in front of that number, and get your. And you could ship these.
Yes, I'll do that.
Did you make these?
I usually ship to America. I was having a customer from America. I used to ship my balls to America.
Do you make these yourself?
Yes.
You painted this?
I do the designs myself. You see if I paint something like this?
You painted this?
Yeah. This one represents the guinea fowl, and this is the cheetah, and this is the zebra, and this is the giraffe. And I also do the outside part. So when you put salads, you can still enjoy the designs outside.
Oh, Margaret, I love your work.
Thank you.
Because you're an artist, you just kept doing it.
Thank you so much.
Right?
Yeah.
I love it. I thought these were manufactured, but these are unique.
Yes.
And even this
you.
right here.
Yeah. This one goes some giraffes and it's carved.
Oh, this is so beautiful. You're so, I'm glad I'm recording this so the world can see. Oh, look at this. This is just rich for your home, people. You want to call Margaret and make sure so you get your stuff shipped. Just tell her, give me Rondie price, get a couple of them. You know, you could WhatsApp with them in real time.
Yes.
So that you could show them what you have.
Yeah.
You know.
And these are beaded ones.
These are beaded ones. Oh man. Look, and you got cars.
Yeah.
So you just stay
These
home.
are stone.
What did your family say when you started doing this? Did they support you?
So much, you know, I was like a single mother.
Yeah.
That's what I did to send the kids to school. Now I have one who is at university now because of this.
Your kids are at university because of your work?
Yes.
Your artwork?
I'm very proud of myself. And that guy from America, his name is Zaragovia, and he supported me a lot. He used to give me an order, then I make balls for him, I send to him. And he also sent the money. He helped me so much.
Wow, I respect you. Look at this table, people. Look at this entire table. This is one artist.
And I have some baskets down there.
Original creations. So you have her number. And you're gonna, whoa, look at that pattern. And you weave these yourself. You weave these, right? Oh, look at this. This is so where would you put this?
You can
would you
hang
put it on the,
like, And I have like this one is for a lion, and I also have one for an elephant. That's one here.
That's my Mario.
Wow. And you do globes too. Margaret, you're too much. You're too much. You're too much. You
Like gloves. And I also have decals.
But these are very impressive.
Thank you.
Margaret, it's been an honor. Give them your number again.
0616-115272.
With the plus 27 at the front.
Plus 27, yes.
Margaret, love what you do. Keep doing it. Everybody in this video, please order something from Margaret.
Call me today because I don't have the phone. I took my phone.
No. It's going to be up in a couple of weeks.
Oh, all right.
But the cool thing is, thousands of people are going to see it.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, I would love that.
Thousands of people are going to see it.
I would love that.
And they're going to see it on and on and on and on and on.
And they
and
need
on.
they will phone me and
On
phone me
and on. It's going to be a lifetime.
Is it?
So next thing you say, oh, you get a call and it says, this is Rondie. I saw the video on YouTube and I love. You see, when you put this in your house on a glass table or on a wooden dark table, and someone comes for dinner, and then you give them the little bit of food in these. This is how you make a kitchen, people. Original artwork cannot be duplicated.
I know, I've talked to
You did those? No, those
yeah,
are
it's another group of women. Me, I don't do
a group of women
Yes.
pattern these?
Yeah.
Oh man, I could stay here all day.
Yeah.
Oh, single mothers?
Yes.
Oh, I love supporting the single mothers. People, are you hearing this? These are single mothers. Yeah? From Africa. So you gotta call her and order. Look at these colors. They are amazing. I could do this all day, Margaret. I love your colors.
They also do bags.
Oh man, look at this. Oh man, Margaret, you're killing me. Look at this design. So how do they do that? Do they stitch it?
They stitch it. They
How much
buy
is
it
this
just,
bag? How much is this bag?
$150.
That's $15.
Yeah.
Ladies abroad, this is nothing. Margaret, God loves you. God
Thank
definitely
you.
loves you.
Thank
I gotta
you.
run now, but
Thank
it was
you.
an honor. You're blessed.
Thank you so much.
So
I hope
bless
to
the
do some
people over the
business.
world.
Yeah.
Tell them.
I thank you all the people.